Hey, Tina.
What?
Quit playing on your phone. You want to try some cedar fence pickets?
Sure. Let's give this another shot and see if we can carve something.
Alright, so Tina's finishing up prepping the one side here that she's going to carve on. But if you look on the other side, because it's really rough, and getting her stencil down and marking for the stencils and everything. So this is going to be a whole lot easier carving and working on and just look better. But we've already taken cedar fence pickets. I cut these down. I don't remember how long I even cut them now. I think I cut them in half, but see if I can do it.
Makes it a little easier to maneuver.
I'd already cut these down, these cedar fence pickets. They're just plain cedar fence pickets we got at Lowe's. I cut them down to 35 and 3/8. And that gives her, we're going to cut these into 5-inch pieces after she carves them. But I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 7 out of these, and it gives me enough for the kerf of the saw blade when we go cutting these in half.
And with it being a little shorter, it's easier for me to maneuver on the workbench.
Yeah. We originally thought about just go ahead and just cutting them in pieces beforehand, but she decided it'd probably be easier to carve on, just carve them all onto one piece, do sanding and everything else, and then cut them, and then we can do the final finishing after I cut them.
He's always got to stop to pet Molly first. Okay, enough pets. Back to work.
Oh, wait, we got that.
Now that I found him a little darker pencil, he can draw the lines on for me a little darker.
This is one of the other things, sanding it down before, because it makes marking it a whole lot easier too. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 1.
Get the tip a little more there.
Just the tip, huh?
Yep.
Now, try not to smooch the paint. Alright. Well, that one got a little gunky. Sorry, sweetie.
Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this show started. I gotta change masks. My face is melting. Oh, that knot hole kind of sucked.
Yeah.
Did you hear it grinding when?
Uh-huh.
Well, as you can see, maybe hold the light down there. There is some knot holes in here, and the router does not like that change in the grain. I said, when it goes to change in the grain, you can hear the router grind a little harder. And like I said, it likes to take over and do its own thing. I get these lines finished up. I'm going to go back in with the, what bit is this?
The ball nose bit.
And then we'll clean up those lines a little bit. So I'm almost finished with these. That one's going to be a little fun. But we'll get there. Let's turn my light off there on that one. Clean off some of this mess. Now let's take the, what'd you say, bull nose bit?
Ball nose bit.
Ball nose bit? I never can remember the names. We'll go back and clean up our lines just a little. Okay, so always like to take my little wire brush. Always got all these little fuzzies and places that don't come out. Scrub those out.
Putting some mineral oil on them. Figure that cedar probably gonna soak it up pretty quick.
Yeah, probably. I want the epoxy to shine a little bit too, and they turned out more purple than brown, I think, didn't they?
Yeah, got a little purple hue to it.
End
What do y'all
grains.
think?
I still like the knot hole in there, even though it was hard to carve into.
Yep. All right, and she's wrapping up the last one there. How they're looking so far. I think they look pretty good.
Ta-da!
Some cedar fence pickets and Lowe rider carving done by yours truly here, Miss Sawdust Diva. So, yeah. Of course, I did the hard stuff. I had to measure and cut. All she had to do is rider carve and epoxy and slather on some mineral oil. Easy peasy, right?
Yeah, I did a lot of sanding.
Oh yeah, she also sanded. Like, that's hard.
Wow.
So, but, you know, easy project there.
Cheap project.
Cheap.
What was a? We got these over at Grove. Was a $3.95,
Something like that.
$4 something. But yeah, and 7 of them out of 1. So
So yeah, easy peasy, lemon
lemon
squeezy.
squeezy.
So, thanks for sticking around, and see what we get into next time. Bye-bye
Bye,
now.
y'all.